These two equations are going to blow your mind. Check this out. For the first one, we have 2 to the ln x power is equal to 10. And for the second one, we have x to the ln 2's power is equal to 10. Yeah, the x and also the 2 then just get switched the place, huh? Okay, so how can we do the first one? Well, because we have the x in the exponent instead of the ln, let's just go ahead and take the log, right? And because the base here is 2, so let's do log base 2, like so. So let's do log base 2, yeah? Okay, so that way you see this and that can cancel, and we will just have ln x being equal to, and this is log base 2 of 10. So far, so good. And we notice we can just do e to the power and e to the power, so they cancel. So the first answer is x equals e to the log base 2 of 10, right? Cool. Now, for the second one, the x is in the base. ln 2 is just a power, so what we can do is just go ahead and raise both sides to the 1 over ln 2's power, like so. So that this and that can cancel. Why can we do that? Well, the idea is if you have x to a third power equals 10, what do? The cube root, right? But the cube root is really the same as raise both sides to the 1/3 power, so that this and that can cancel. So it's the same idea. Okay, so it seems that we are done, huh? Because on the left hand side we just have the x, and then the right hand side is we have the 10 and then 1 over ln 2's power. Cool. Are we really done? Yeah, huh? But let me tell you the secret. Even though they look very different, right? Even though the answers look very different, and also the equations, they look similar, but you know it was different, but in fact, they were the same equation. In fact, this and that are the same thing. Same answer. Go ahead and try it on your calculator. They are the same answer. Cool, huh? Of course, I will have to convince you guys how. Check this out. Log base 2 of 10. Let me rewrite this by the change of base formula. So we are going to get e raised to the ln 10 over ln 2. All right, so that's just by the change of base formula. Now, watch this. This right here, I'm going to rewrite it as e for the base, and then raised to the ln 10's power like so, and then raised to the 1 over ln 2 power. Why can we do that? Because remember, this power to that power, we can just multiply them. So you see the ln 10 earlier, we can just put it inside first, yeah? Now, e and ln cancel. Ladies and gentlemen, as I said, we do have just a 10 here, and then 1 over ln 2. So, in fact, this and that are the same thing. If you guys are still watching, here's the deal, right? In fact, this is a not so common logarithm property, but you should definitely know. When we have, let's say, a to the log base b of c, let me just put this down like this. All right. This right here, it's actually the same as, we can switch the a and c. So we get c here, and then we still keep the log base b here, and then you can put the a in the log here for the exponent. So you see, ln is log base e, and when we have the 2 and x, we can actually just switch them. That's exactly what this property is saying, which is very, very cool. All right, that's why they have the same answer.